Ho ho ho, welcome everybody, welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and today we are on advent number 2. So yesterday we opened little bag number 1 and today we've got advent number 2. Now I wonder what colour this could be. How exciting. How exciting. Oh, nice. Oh, look guys, and there's stellina in this as well. It's like peaches, all different shades of peach. Aren't they beautiful? Really nice, really nice. So we've got that colour now, so that's number 2 and this is number 1. Aren't they gorgeous? They'll look really nice together. So make sure to put them back in the bag. So we've opened advent number 1 and number 2, and thank you all for joining me today. I hope you'll come back and join me again tomorrow where we open advent number 3, and I'm hoping at some point to make a start on the shawl. I've not decided yet whether to knit it or crochet it, so we'll see guys, we'll see. But thank you for joining me. I hope you'll come back tomorrow and we'll see what number 3 opens. So have a wonderful day, take care, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you. Bye.